How to start a lawn company with no equipment. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, welcome. And consider subscribing to my channel and click that little bell notification below. Yes, you heard it right. I agree that starting a lawn care company without any equipment may seem like a daunting task, but it can be done with careful planning and a little bit of creativity. So let me tell you how. First, let's get some crucial points cleared out. A lawn company is a business that provides services related to the maintenance and care of lawns. These services may include mowing, trimming, fertilizing, aerating, seeding, and other activities to keep lawns healthy and looking their best. Lawn care companies may also offer additional services, such as landscaping, irrigation, and pest control. Some companies may focus on residential lawn care, while others may serve commercial clients, such as businesses and public parks. The services of a lawn company are typically needed by homeowners, businesses, and other organizations that have lawns that need to be maintained. This may include residential properties, commercial properties, public parks, schools, and other spaces. These customers may need help with a variety of lawn care tasks, such as mowing, trimming, fertilizing, aerating, seeding, and other activities to keep their lawns healthy and looking their best. In general, anyone with a lawn that requires regular maintenance can benefit from the services of a lawn care company. So what would you need to start a lawn company? To start a lawn care business, you will need to have a clear understanding of the services you will offer, a reliable means of transportation to get to and from job sites, and the necessary equipment to perform the services you have advertised. Yes, I said you need the necessary equipment. But don't panic yet, as I'm going to tell you how to do it without equipment. You will also need to have a business plan in place, which should include information on how you will market your business, how you'll handle finances and pricing, and how you will manage any employees or subcontractors. Also, you'll need to obtain any necessary licenses or permits for operating a business in your area. And you may need to invest in liability insurance to protect yourself and your business from potential legal issues. So if you're up for that, when should you start the business? The best time to start a lawn care company will depend on a variety of factors, such as your location, the local market, and your circumstances. In general, the lawn care industry is busiest during the spring and summer months, when lawns are growing and require regular maintenance. This is typically a good time to start a lawn care company, as there's a higher demand for services and you can establish your business before the busiest season begins. However, starting a lawn care company at any time of year can be successful if you have a well-developed business plan, a clear understanding of the market, and the dedication and determination to succeed. Now we're all clear to see how to do that without equipment. Yes, it is possible to start a lawn care company without any equipment. While having equipment is important for providing lawn care services, there are a few ways to get around this if you don't have any. You'll have to follow a few steps to establish this lawn company. Research the market and competition in your area. Look at what other lawn care companies are offering and how much they charge for their services. This will help you determine the services you can offer and how much to charge for them. The demand for lawn care services can vary depending on a variety of factors, such as the local climate, population density, and the availability of other lawn care companies. In general, urban and suburban areas with high populations and a large number of homes and businesses are likely to have a higher demand for lawn care services. These areas may also have a higher concentration of other lawn care companies, which can create competition and potentially drive down prices. In contrast, rural areas with lower populations may have less demand for lawn care services, but may also have fewer competitors, which can make it easier to establish a successful business. Ultimately, the best location for a lawn care company will depend on a variety of factors, including your target market, the local competition, and your personal preferences. Then, as I've been repeating, develop a business plan. This should include a detailed description of your services, your target market, and your pricing strategy. It should also include a financial plan with estimates of your startup costs, expenses, and projected income. Next come licensing and insurance. Depending on your location, you may need to obtain a business license and other permits to operate a lawn care company. You should also consider purchasing liability insurance to protect your business and yourself in case of accidents or other mishaps. To succeed in the lawn care industry, you'll need to market your business and attract customers. So you have to identify potential customers and market your business. Reach out to potential customers through networking, advertising, and other marketing efforts. Offer special deals and promotions to attract new customers. Now about the equipment you need. Lawn care requires a range of specialized equipment and supplies, such as mowers, edgers, trimmers, and fertilizers. You'll need to consider the cost of purchasing or renting this equipment, as well as the cost of maintaining it and replacing it as needed. But affording all of them at once isn't practical, so you can rent or borrow equipment from a local rental company or other sources. This can be a cost-effective way to get started, and you can always buy your own equipment as your business grows. Alternatively, you could offer services that don't require specialized equipment, such as consulting or design services. Or you could partner with another company that has the equipment you need. As I said, all you need is careful planning and a little bit of creativity. Then you can easily start a lawn care company without any equipment. To buy your own equipment as you grow, your business must be profitable. I know you have this doubt about whether your service will be profitable or not, but don't worry at all. Lawn care companies can be profitable. The lawn care industry is a large and growing market, with many homeowners and businesses needing regular lawn maintenance. The key to profitability in this industry is to provide high-quality services at competitive prices, and to effectively market and advertise your business to attract customers. That's why you should provide excellent service. The key to success in the lawn care industry is providing high-quality services that exceed your customers' expectations. Make sure to arrive on time, communicate clearly, and do a thorough and professional job. I know you now have some doubts regarding the advantages and disadvantages of starting your lawn company without equipment. So let me wrap this up with the answer to that. It's good as there is lower startup costs. Without the need to purchase equipment, your startup costs may be lower, which can make it easier to get your business off the ground. Flexibility. Renting or borrowing equipment can give you the flexibility to adjust your services and equipment as needed, without being tied to a large investment in the equipment. Opportunity to partner. Starting a lawn care company without equipment can also provide opportunities to partner with other companies that do have the equipment you need, which can help you grow your business and expand your services. It can go wrong due to limited services. Without equipment, you may be limited in the services you can offer, which can limit your potential income and growth opportunities. Dependence on others. Renting or borrowing equipment means you will be dependent on other companies or individuals, which can be inconvenient and potentially costly if the equipment is not available when you need it. Lack of control. Without your own equipment, you may have less control over the quality and availability of the equipment you use, which can impact the quality of your services and your reputation. If you think buying is better as it gives you ownership. When you buy equipment, you own it outright, which means you have full control over it and can use it as you see fit. This can give you more flexibility and autonomy in how you run your business. Long-term savings. Over time, buying equipment can save you money compared to renting, as you will not have to continue paying rental fees. This can especially be true for equipment that is used frequently or that has a long lifespan. Let me also tell you that buying them comes with more disadvantages. After buying the needed equipment, you'll have to bear higher upfront costs. Buying equipment can be a significant upfront cost, which can be difficult to afford for a new or small business. This can require borrowing money or using other forms of financing, which can increase your expenses and risks. Maintenance and repair costs. As the owner of the equipment, you will also be responsible for maintaining and repairing it, which can be a significant ongoing cost. This can be especially true for larger or more complex pieces of equipment. Devaluation. Over time, the equipment can depreciate in value, which means it may be worth less than you paid for it. This can reduce the potential return on your investment and make it difficult to sell the equipment when you no longer need it. So what do you think now? Can you start a lawn company with no equipment? Feel free to tell us in the comments.